In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share templates in DocuSign, a full 2025 guide. Whether you're collaborating with a team on documents or simply want to ensure your templates are easily accessible to others, sharing templates in DocuSign streamlines the process significantly. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started on sharing templates like a pro. First, go ahead and open your internet browser and navigate to the DocuSign homepage. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, just type in apps.docusign.com/home in your address bar and hit enter. You'll be directed straight to the DocuSign login page if you're not already signed in. Once logged in, look towards the top of the page. There, you'll find a tab labeled Templates. Click on this button to move to the Templates section, which houses all the pre-existing templates available within your account. Now, within the Templates section, take a moment to locate the specific template that you wish to share. You might find it helpful to use the search bar if you have numerous templates stored, as this can save you some scrolling time. Once you've found the template, direct your attention to the far right side of the template listing. You'll notice three little dots, often referred to as an options menu. Clicking these dots will reveal additional actions you can perform with that template. With the options menu now open, look for and select the option that reads Share with Users. By choosing this, you're able to grant access to the template for the users of your choosing. Now let's discuss how to select the users you want to share this template with. You'll likely be presented with a list of users already associated with your DocuSign account. If you're dealing with a larger team, make use of any search or filter functions to efficiently locate the users you need. It's essential to ensure that the appropriate individuals have access, especially if multiple team members are coordinating on document creation or management. After selecting the respective users, typically by checking a box next to their names or simply highlighting their profile, direct your attention to the final step, the Share button. Hitting this confirms your selections and successfully shares your template with the chosen individuals, completing the sharing process. In just a few clicks, your template is now accessible to those who need it. This not only facilitates easy collaboration, but keeps everyone in sync with the necessary document standards and procedures. Remember, sharing templates is crucial for consistency and efficiency in document handling, especially in business environments where multiple stakeholders might be involved. And that's it. Simple yet effective in keeping your workflow streamlined and collaborative. I hope this guide helps you leverage DocuSign's tools more efficiently. Be sure to subscribe for more guides and tips on enhancing your document management practices. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy documenting.